Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. The three-sided seal runs up the side, along the top and down the other side. To remove, start in one of the corners and pull the seal away and out from the dishwasher. Unpackage your new seal. Before installing, use this as a time to give the cavity a good clean if needed. If you look closely at the seal, you'll see a flat side. This is the side that will face you when installing. The point side of the seal needs to face inwards into the centre of the dishwasher. Take this side. This will go along and down and finish in the right corner of the machine. Find the middle point and go around each side from there. This ensures a nice, even fit. Make sure it's pressed firmly in place. If you have a lot of excess rubber at the ends, this can be trimmed with some scissors, but aim to leave 2 centimeters or so. And that's it. Your new dishwasher three-sided door seal is all set to go.